Greetings, travel enthusiasts! Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your one-stop destination for all your travel needs. Today, we're going to share with you the top 10 summer vacation essentials you should never leave home without. We've got everything from hydration essentials to must-have gadgets covered. So whether you're an experienced globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, there's something for everyone. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and support us with a super thanks. Now let's dive into our list. Starting our list at number 10, we have sunscreen. Now you might think, sunscreen? Really? But trust me, this little tube holds the key to your summer comfort. It's your first line of defense against the harsh summer sun. You see, sunscreen helps protect your skin from the harmful ultraviolet or UV rays that the sun emits. These rays can lead to serious skin issues, including sunburn, premature skin aging, and even skin cancer. But not all sunscreens are created equal. When choosing a sunscreen, you want to consider a couple of factors. First, look for a sunscreen with a sun protection factor, or SPF, of at least 30. This ensures that it can block out the majority of UV rays. Second, consider if the sunscreen is water resistant. This is especially important if you're planning on swimming or sweating a lot, so make sure to pack a good sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Coming in at number 9, hydration essentials. When you're out and about exploring new locales or basking under the summer sun, it's easy to forget to drink water. But staying hydrated is crucial. It keeps you energized, helps your body regulate temperature, and even boosts your skin health. Don't rely solely on purchasing bottled water. Not only is it not environmentally friendly, but in some places, finding a store might be a hassle. Instead, pack a reusable water bottle. It's convenient, eco-friendly, and will save you a few bucks in the long run. But what if you're in a location where the tap water isn't safe to drink? That's where hydration salts come in. These are a mix of electrolytes that you can add to your water to replenish your body's hydration levels, especially after a long day of activities. Remember, hydration is key to enjoying your vacation. At number 8, we suggest packing lightweight clothing. When the summer sun decides to turn up the heat, having the right wardrobe can make all the difference in the world. Think breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or performance materials designed to wick away sweat. These fabrics allow air to circulate, helping to evaporate sweat and keep you cool. Now let's not forget about hats and sunglasses. A stylish hat can shield your face from the sun's rays, reducing the risk of sunburn and helping you stay cool. And sunglasses? Well, they're not just a fashion statement. They protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and can make your outdoor adventures more comfortable by reducing glare. So, whether you're exploring a bustling city, relaxing on a sun-drenched beach, or hiking in the great outdoors, remember to pack smart. Choose light, breathable clothing, and don't forget your hat and sunglasses. Lightweight clothing will help you stay cool and comfortable during your summer vacation. At number 7, don't forget your travel documents. Now this might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often this crucial step is overlooked in the hustle and bustle of packing. Think about it. Without your passport, you're not going anywhere. It's your golden ticket to the world. And it's not just your passport, my friends. Do you have a valid ID? What about travel insurance? Trust me, it's not something you want to gamble with. Picture this. You're having the time of your life in an exotic locale and then, bam! An unexpected situation arises. Travel insurance can swoop in and save the day. Don't forget those necessary visas too. Every country has different entry requirements, and you don't want to be caught off guard. So do your homework and prepare accordingly. And remember, always keep your travel documents safe and secure. They are, after all, your key to a world of adventure. Coming in at number 5, a first aid kit is a must-have. Picture this. You're having a grand time, soaking up the summer sun, when suddenly you trip over a hidden rock and scrape your knee. It's not a life-threatening injury, but it sure is a mood dampener. This is where the first aid kit steps in to save the day. Your kit should have the basics like adhesive bandages of various sizes, antiseptic wipes to clean wounds and prevent infection, and tweezers for those pesky splinters. It's also smart to pack any necessary prescription medications you might need, along with common over-the-counter drugs like pain relievers, antacids, and motion sickness tablets. If you're heading somewhere remote, consider adding items like a space blanket for warmth and a whistle for signaling help. A well-stocked first aid kit can come in handy in case of any minor accidents. At number 6, don't forget to pack some snacks. Now, we're not talking about stashing away a family-sized bag of chips. We're talking about smart, healthy, and convenient snack options that will keep you fueled during your summer travels. Think portable and non-perishable items. Trail mix, granola bars, or dried fruit. These are lightweight, easy to pack, and can be a lifesaver during long layovers or when healthy food options are scarce. Plus, they won't melt or spoil in the summer heat. Having your own snacks also allows you to control what you're putting into your body. You're less likely to opt for unhealthy airport or roadside food when you have your own tasty and nutritious snacks on hand. And let's not forget about the budget. Purchasing snacks at the airport or tourist hotspots can be a pricey affair. Packing your own snacks not only ensures you have something to munch on when hunger strikes, but it can also save you quite a bit of cash. Having your own snacks can save you time and money during your travels. At number 4, we have electronic gadgets. You might be thinking, of course my phone is always with me. But what about the charger or the power bank for those long trips when you can't find a plug point? You don't want to be stuck with a dead phone in an unknown city. And while we're on the subject, let's not forget about the camera. Sure, your phone can take pictures, but for those once-in-a-lifetime views, a good quality camera can make all the difference. Perhaps you're more of a video person. In that case, a GoPro or similar device could be your best friend, capturing all those thrilling moments of your summer adventure. And if you're a bookworm, don't forget your e-reader to enjoy a good read during your downtime. These gadgets will help you stay connected and capture your travel memories. Coming in at number 3, toiletries. Toiletries, the unsung heroes of our luggage. These are personal items that can make our journey comfortable and hassle-free. Think about it. After a long day of sightseeing, a refreshing shower with your favorite shampoo and soap. Now we're talking. Traveling during summers can cause some unanticipated issues. That's why packing your personal toiletries like deodorant, toothpaste, or perhaps your skincare products can really make a difference. It's all about keeping yourself fresh and ready to explore more. Now, you might be thinking, but toiletries take up so much space. Well, worry not. There are plenty of travel size options available. Whether it's your favorite shampoo or your must-have face wash, there's likely a mini version waiting for you. And remember, it's not just about convenience. It's also about ensuring you have everything you need, especially if you have specific skin or hair care needs. So don't forget to pack your toiletries. Packing your own toiletries can ensure you have everything you need. At number 2, we suggest packing a travel pillow and eye mask. These simple items can make a world of difference to the quality of your travel. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, the travel pillow. Whether you're catching a few winks on a long-haul flight or getting some rest during a lengthy road trip, a good travel pillow provides the neck support you need to avoid those pesky cricks and strains. They're lightweight, portable, and some even come with cool features like memory foam or built-in speakers. Next, the eye mask. This little piece of fabric is a true game changer. It blocks out unwanted light, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It's perfect for those early morning flights when you want to catch some shut-eye or if you're trying to adjust to a new time zone. So don't underestimate the power of these travel companions. They're small, affordable, and oh so necessary for any traveler. A travel pillow and eye mask can greatly improve your travel comfort. And at number 1 on our list, don't forget your money and cards. When it comes to traveling, nothing is more essential than ensuring you're financially prepared. Having enough cash on hand is crucial, especially for places where digital transactions might not be as commonplace. But remember, don't carry all your cash at once to avoid losing it. Next up, credit and debit cards. Your trusty companions in the digital age. They provide an easy and secure way to manage your finances while on the go. However, do inform your bank about your travel plans to prevent any unexpected card blockages due to unusual activity. And lastly, consider getting a travel card. These gems offer various benefits like competitive exchange rates, reward points, and even insurance coverage. They can be a real lifesaver in managing your travel expenses. Having enough money and the right cards will ensure a hassle-free vacation. So, there you have it, folks. Our top 10 things to pack for a summer vacation. We've covered everything from sunscreen to keep the burn at bay, hydration essentials to stay refreshed, lightweight clothing for comfort, crucial travel documents, a first aid kit for safety, tasty snacks, essential electronic gadgets, toiletries for cleanliness, a travel pillow and eye mask for a good rest, and of course, money and cards for convenience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us with